Good morning, students. How are you all? Okay, you're fine. And yes, I am fine too. So, students, I welcome you to today's tele-education class. So, are you ready for the class? Okay. So, তোমালোকৰ মনত আছে নে আমি লাষ্ট ক্লাছত কি পঢ়ি আছিলো? আছে ন? So, আমি কি পঢ়ি আছিলো লাষ্ট ক্লাছত? Yes, so we were doing past tense, right? Okay. So, এতিয়া কোৱাচোন তোমালোকৰ মনত আছে নে মই চাউথ টেন্স কেই প্ৰকাৰৰ আছিলে? Yes, very good. Tense is of three types. হয়নে? কি আছিলে কোৱাচোন? Yes. So, present tense, past tense and yes, future tense. হয়নে নাই? So, আজি আমি কি পঢ়িম? আজি আমি already present tense আৰু past tense পঢ়িছো. So, today we are going to discuss future tense. Clear? Okay. Okay. So, here we have a conversation. Okay. So, let us see. What are you going to do this Sunday, Ravi? So this girl, she is asking her friend Ravi what he is going to do on coming Sunday. I think I'll stay back at home and watch cricket. Okay. So Ravi ki kole je I think I'll stay back at home and watch cricket. What will you do, Swati? So again, Ravi is asking Swati what she will do. I'm not sure. Either I'll go to my uncle's place or I'll visit a temple with my family. So Swati ki reply dile je moi etio sure নহয় মই হয়তো মোৰ আঙ্কলৰ ঘৰলৈ যাম নহলে মই মোৰ ফ্যামিলিৰ লগত ঘৰৰ মানুহখিনিৰ লগত মন্দিৰলৈ যাম okay what about your music class okay so Rabi সুধিলে যে what about your music class তোমাৰটো Sunday music class থাকে I will not attend it this Sunday. Okay, so কি কলে I will not attend it this Sunday. Okay, time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not yet exist. Okay, so ইয়াত কি কৈছে চোৱা time expressing an action যে time আমি যেতিয়া কথা পাতো আমি এটা কথা যেতিয়া কওঁ যে সেই কামটো কিন্তু পিছলৈহে হ'ব okay so কিবা এটা যোনটো action actually অলপ দেৰিকে হ'ব বা কিছুদিন পিছত হ'ব okay or does not yet exist okay বা এতিয়া সেই বস্তুটো হোৱাই নাই এতিয়াও okay in future হ'বহে so হেতু আমি কি বুলি কওঁ yes time not yet happened does not yet exist so আমি কম future tense okay so future tense মানে basically কি হয় যে কিবা এটা কাম যোনটো এতিয়ালৈ হোৱা নাই okay বা হৈ যোৱা নাই কিন্তু পিছলৈহে হ'ব কিছু দেৰি পিছত বা কিছু দিন পিছত কিছু সময় পিছত হ'ব okay so যেতিয়া আমি তেনেকুৱা কথা এটা বুজাব বিচাৰো যোনটো পিছলৈ in future হ'ব হেতুকে future tense বুলি কোৱা হয় so clear all of you what future tense is? Yes. So time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not yet exist. ঠিকে আছে বুজি পালা? Okay. That is called future tense. So let us look at some examples now. I will go to my aunt's place tomorrow. Okay, ইয়াত I will go to my aunt's place tomorrow. ইয়াত tomorrow বুলি কৈছে দেখিছানে? ইয়াত এনেকুৱা এটা কথা কৈছে যোনটো এতিয়ালৈকে হোৱা নাই বা এতিয়া হৈ থকা নাই but কেতিয়া হ'ব yes কাইলে হ'ব okay it will take place tomorrow will okay so সদায় মনত ৰাখিবা future tense আমি will use কৰিব লাগে okay I hope all of you understood আকৌ এবাৰ চাও আমি definition টো Okay, so কি আছে ইয়াতে time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not yet exist. So time not yet happened, does not yet exist. Okay, so হেতুক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? আমি already গমেই পালো. Yes, good. আমি future tense বুলি কওঁ. Now let us look at some examples. I will go to my aunt's place tomorrow. So here we have tomorrow and will. Okay, so in future tense always remember we have to use will plus we have to use talk about an action that will happen in the future that has not happened yet. Okay, okay, so now I have a question for you all of you please look at the question properly, read properly and then try to answer. Okay, okay, so yada ki ase swa time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not yet exist is known as dash. Okay, so very easy. Option A we have past tense, option B present tense, option C future tense, option D past perfect tense. So I'll give you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay students, your time is up. And correct answer to ki hoy hokoluwe paisa sage etu koribole hoy ne? Okay, so the correct answer is so time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not yet exist is known as, yes, option C future tense. Okay, so now let us look at this. We use will to. I have already told you all, okay, where we need to use the modal verb will. So now again let us look at this. So we use will to talk about a future event. Okay, so আমি future কিবা এটা কথা কবলে বিচাৰিলে আমি will use কৰিব লাগিব. Future কিবা এটা action হ'ব, কাম এটা হ'ব, হেতুৰ কথা আমি যেতিয়া কম আমি will use কৰিম. Okay, so we use will to talk about a future event. So let us look at some examples now. So I will stay back at home and watch cricket. Okay, so I will go to my uncle's place. I'll visit a temple with my family. So ইয়াত আমি পাইছো will. Okay, so গোটেই কেইটা sentence ওতে will use কৰা হৈছে. Why? Because these sentences are talking about what? Something that is going to happen in near future. Okay, that hasn't happened yet, is not happening now, but will happen in the future only. Okay, so when we are talking about things that will happen in the future, so we will have to use the modal verb will. Clear? Okay, so use of will not now. আমি use of will চালো, আকৌ এবাৰ চাই লওঁ হা. So to talk about a future event, something, when we want to talk about something that is going to happen in the future, we use will. Okay, let us look at a few examples. I'll stay back at home and watch cricket. I'll go to my uncle's place. I'll visit a temple with my family. Okay, so here we have will. So till now you already know where we have to use will. Okay, so now let us look at the uses of will not. So to talk about any negative sentence in the future. Okay, so etu hokoluwe jana sage ami jetia positive sentence eta কবলে যাও আমি তেতিয়া not কেতিয়াও ইউজ নকৰো হয়নে নাই yes কিন্তু আমি নেগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স এটা কবলে গলে ওকে আমি not ইউজ কৰো আৰু যেতিয়া আমি হে নেগেটিভ সেন্টেন্সটো ফিউচাৰত কম সো আমি will not ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব ক্লিয়াৰ okay examples I will not attend the music class this Sunday I will not go to school the next week it will not rain tomorrow so here we have Sita will not go for shopping so will not clear okay so here I have another question for you all so all of you please look at the question properly read properly and then answer okay so let's see what we have so fill in the blanks Ravi dash the meeting sorry Ravi dash attend the meeting next week okay so we have 4 options will would be will be had so I'm giving you all 40 seconds and your time starts now okay students your time is up and the correct answer here is Ravi dash the meeting next week dash attend the meeting next week Ravi will attend the meeting next week okay now let us look at this sentence I'll do my homework tomorrow I will do my homework he will pass the examination it will rain today John Smith will win the elections okay so here we have will okay so here these sentences are using the modal verb will so positive sentences okay so these are positive sentences why as we can see there is no negative word in these sentences right okay use will only will I will not do my homework he will not pass the examination it will not rain today John Smith will not win the elections here we have will not okay okay so these are what yes negative sentences use only will not okay I hope all of you have understood yet let us once again look at those sentences okay I will do my homework he will pass the examination it will rain today John Smith will win the elections will so these are all positive sentences use only will I will not do my homework he will not pass the examination it will not rain today John Smith will not win the elections so we have will not here so these are negative sentences okay so students I have another question for you all now all of you please look at the question properly and read properly and then only try to answer okay so let's see what we have fill in the blanks I dash leave for Mumbai tomorrow So we have is, would be, will. So I'm giving you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, students, your time is up. And the correct answer here is I will leave for Mumbai tomorrow. Okay. Now use of will in question. For example, okay. Now can you all see this picture? Yes. So what is the mother doing? Yes, she has a cake in her hand and let us see. Will you have some cake? So she's asking the little boy, will you have some cake? Here we have the question word will. Now let us see. We have this what? Yes, two little students. Will you come tomorrow? Will. Then here we have this little boy. What is he doing? Yes, he's looking at the sky. So what is he thinking? Will it rain this evening? So he's thinking, will it rain this evening? Will. Now use of won't. It is the short form of will not. Will not. See, will plus not is equal to won't. Okay, so won't is the short form of will not. So instead of writing will not all the time, you can what? Better use the short form of will not, that is won't. Okay. Okay, let us look at examples. I won't lie. So here we have won't. We won't forget your birthday. We have won't. It won't rain today. It won't. Raj won't pass the test. He has not studied at all. Here also we have won't. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Let us look at it once again. So use of will in question. So for example, see this mother, she is asking her son, will you have some cake? So we have will here. Then we have here two little girls in school, at school. So will you come tomorrow? So one girl is asking the other, will you come tomorrow? Will. So this boy, what is he doing? Yes, he's looking at the sky and thinking, will it rain this evening? Here we have will. So use of won't. It's a short form of will not. Will not. So will plus not is equal to won't. So example, I won't lie. We won't forget your birthday. Won't. It won't rain today. Again, won't. So I hope all of you have understood. So Raj won't pass the test. He has not studied at all. Here also we have won't. Okay, now I have a question for you all. All of you, please read the question properly and then only try to answer. Okay. So what we have, let's see. So fill in the blanks. Dash is the short form of will not. So very easy answer. Okay, so we have four options. Option A, won't. Option B, wouldn't. Oh, sorry, would not. option C, willn't, option D, wouldn't. Okay, so you have to choose the correct answer. I'll give you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, students, your time is up and the correct answer here is option A. Okay, so won't is the short form of will not. Now we have an exercise here. So change the sentences into questions using will. So let us see. So here we have this sentence. So Priya will clean the house this week. So what we have to do is we have to change this sentence into questions. Okay. So Priya will clean the house this week. So what is going to be a question? Yes. Will Priya clean the house this week? Next, here we have will. Next, the birds will nest in the garden. So how are you going to make this into a question? Turn this into a question? Yes, will the birds nest in the garden? Will. Arvind will lend you the money for shopping. Will Arvind lend you the money for shopping? Will. He will win the election. He will win the race tomorrow. So how are you going to change this? Will he win the race tomorrow? Will. Sanjay will be on a holiday tomorrow. Will Sanjay be on a holiday tomorrow? Okay, so here we have another question. So all of you, please look at the question properly, read properly, and then try to answer. So fill in the blanks. Does Nita celebrate her birthday tomorrow? So we have four options. Option A is, option B will, option C will be, option D was. So I'm giving you all 40 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, students, your time is up. And which is the correct answer here? Does Nita celebrate her birthday tomorrow? So we have four options. Is, will be, was. Okay. So which one is the correct answer? Yes, option B, that is, will Nita celebrate her birthday tomorrow? Okay. Now let's see, time for some jokes. Okay. This is a joke. Okay. Change the sentence to future tense. I killed a person, so you'll be sent to a jail. One day our world will be violence free. Which tense is it? Future impossible tense. Okay. Now let us look at this conversation here. So we have a conversation here. So let's look at it. Okay. So this boy is saying, may I come in, sir? You are late again, Jason. I'm sorry, I got stuck in the traffic. Will you stop making excuses and start arriving in time for the classes? So here we have will and question mark. Okay, so since it's a what? Question. Okay. I'll definitely try to be in time from now on. So here we have will. Let's hope so. Please take your seat. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood. So once again, let us look at this. So we'll look at this, change the sentences into questions. Okay, how we can change the sentence into question. So number one, Priya will clean the house this week. So how are we going to change this? Will Priya clean the house this week? So here we have will. The birds will nest in the garden. Okay, so how do we change this into a question? Yes, very good. Will the birds nest in the garden? Number three, so will Arvind will lend you the money for shopping. So, will Arvind lend you the money for shopping? He will win the race tomorrow. Will he win the race tomorrow? So here we have will. Sanjay will be on a holiday tomorrow. Will Sanjay be on a holiday tomorrow? So these are the what sentences from which we can turn into future tense, okay, by using what? Will, okay, in the questions. So we have already done this MCQ. So here we have time for some jokes, okay. So let's see. Change the sentence to future tense. I killed a person. So you will be sent to a jail. One day our world will be violence free. Which tense is it? Future impossible tense. Isn't this funny? Yes. Okay. So this is a conversation. We have already done this conversation. Still, let's look at it once again. May I come in, sir? You are late again, Jason. I'm sorry, I got stuck in traffic. Will you stop making excuses and start arriving in time for the classes? Will. So here we have will and question mark. I'll definitely try to be in time from now on. Here also we have will. Let's hope so. Please take your seat. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood. So if you have understood whatever I have taught you all in today's class, let us now look at the summary. Okay. So what do we have in the summary? Future tense, time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not yet exist. So time showing us or trying to talk about an action which has not yet happened or does not exist. So examples are, I'll go to my aunt's place tomorrow. So here we have tomorrow. Will. Again, examples, we use will to talk about the future event. I'll stay back at home and watch cricket. Use of will not to talk about any negative sentence in the future. I'll not attend the music class this Sunday. So positive sentence. Let's look at the examples. I'll do my homework. So we have will. Negative sentences. I will not do my homework. So here for in one sentence we have will and in the other we have will not. Why? Because will is what? Yes, a positive sentence, and will not is a negative sentence. Right? Okay. So use of will in question, for example, will you have some cake? use of won't, it's the short form of will not. Examples, I won't lie. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood whatever I have taught you in today's class. So we'll meet again in the next class with a new and more interesting topic. Thank you and have a nice day.